plug-in hybrid or gasoline model. No prices have been set yet. The Tiggo 8 is the same model as the DR7 PHEV sold in Italy, where it starts at €41,900 compared to €49,400 for the Skoda Kodiaq plug-in hybrid in the same market. Ebro sells the combustion engine version in Spain as the S800 Luxury, where it costs from €32,990. DR and more recently Ebro assembled the cars locally from kits under license from Chery. Ebro has taken over the former Nissan factory in Barcelona and held a ceremony in November to announce the start of production of the S700, based on the Tiggo 7. Ebro sold 256 of the S700 and S800 in January in Spain, beating Leapmotor, Mitsubishi, and Subaru, according to figures from market analyst Dataforce. DR was last year fined €6 million, $6.4 million, by Italy's antitrust authority, AGCM, for misleading consumers about the Chinese origin of its DR and EVO cars. DR sales fell 47% in January to 1325, according to Dataforce. Chery said vehicles sold in Eastern Europe would be built in China. The company hinted it could bring in more models in the range at a later date, including the Tiggo for compact SUV. The company claims to be China's biggest automotive exporter, with 1.14 million vehicles sold outside China last year. Title: Li Auto Q1 revenue target falls short of estimates as EV price war escalates. Content: Li Auto Inc. Forecast first quarter earnings that missed analyst estimates amid intensifying competition in China, the world's largest automobile market. Revenue will probably be $23.4 billion, $3.2 billion, to $24.7 billion this quarter, the company said in a statement March 14th. That compares with the $38.4 billion that analysts had estimated. It anticipates first quarter vehicle deliveries to be as high as 93,000, falling short of the 130,914 estimated by analysts. Earnings in the fourth quarter were, however, better than expected, aided by cost management measures and sales driven by aggressive promotions. That weighed on gross margin, which came in at 20.3% compared to 23.5% in the same period a year ago. While Li Auto's focus on extended range electric vehicles for families has been a key to its success since its inception 10 years ago, the company now faces intensifying competition. It's vying for market share with rivals such as Ato, the new energy vehicle brand developed by Huawei Technologies Company, and Sears Group Company. Li Auto's initial foray into the battery electric vehicle market with its multi-purpose car has also encountered challenges. That's necessitated adjustments to sales targets and pricing strategies, as well as a workforce reduction, as previously acknowledged by company executives and reported in local media. Moving forward, we remain committed to expanding our business and driving technological innovation while striving for financial excellence, Li Auto CFO Li Tai said in a statement. In a bid to diversify its portfolio, Li Auto is venturing into pure electric utility vehicles through the i8, which is slated for launch later this year. Its unveiling comes against a complex market backdrop, characterized by BYD Company's efforts to popularize intelligent driving and Xiaomi Corporation's aggressive pricing strategies for premium cars. Other key numbers. Title: VW's Cupra brand says US launch